Many believers are caught in the web of sin. The more they try to come out of it, the more entangled. And the reason is because sin is a very powerful force that requires more than human strength to overcome. The one that is responsible for enforcing the power of sin, the one in control of the force field of sin, has a lot of experience. He has an experience that spans more than 1,000 years. The devil knows your weaknesses, he knows your strength. And there is nothing that is as terrible as fighting a man that has your details. The devil has destroyed many mighty men and women. The devil has no respect for anyone. The only thing the devil respects is knowledge. And this is where I want us to look at 3 truths about sin and how to overcome it. Truth number 1, you can never overcome sin by human strength. By strength, you cannot prevail. When you try to fight a secret habit by just making promises to do better next time, you are relying on human willpower against a master strategy. And this is where Apostle Paul admitted in Romans chapter 7, verses 15. He said, "For what I am doing, I do not understand. For what I will do, that I do not practice. But what I hate, that I do." Many of us find ourselves doing the things we hate. We don't like them, but we find ourselves doing them. If a giant of faith like Apostle Paul could not defeat temptation with human power, I think you need the help of the one that has 100% record of defeating the devil, and that is Jesus Christ. Truth number 2, the forces of sin only met in the presence of God. You don't shout and pray for darkness to leave a room. The only solution is switch on the light and darkness will disappear. Sin will naturally disappear in the presence of God. The enemy only respects nothing except knowledge, and the highest form of knowledge is intimacy with the Lord. And this is where many believers do not understand. Your relationship, your intimacy with God matters a lot. Mountains melt like wax at the presence of the Lord. At the presence of the Lord of the whole earth. You see, when you master the secret of staying in the presence of God, sometimes you just need as little as listening to Christian songs. You just need to meditate and study His Word. You just need to pray a little bit more. And then you see the presence of God. The atmosphere melts away the fleshly desire. Because light and darkness can never share the same space. Truth number 3. You become free when God replaces your appetite. The greatest weapon of the devil to keep you bound forever in your sin is your old self. He targets your secret weaknesses through your old desires. And the strategy of God to set you free is to change your taste bud completely. Galatians chapter 5 verse 16 says that, "Walk in the Spirit, and you shall not fulfill the lust of the flesh." It does not say stop sinning so that you can finally walk in the Spirit. It says walk in the Spirit first. The more you approach God, the more His light engulfs you, and the more you see sin disappear. It is like a kind of automated system. I tell you the truth. If you walk towards God, you will just see sin. You will see your old self losing grip of you, and you will see yourself hating those things you used to like. And to get all the knowledge we need to overcome sin, definitely it will take more than 10 minutes of deeper biblical teaching. If you want the full comprehensive teaching on sin and how to overcome sin, please like and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I drop the full video. God bless you. See you in the next video.